Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to redirect your domain name in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Domains. And next to the domain name that you want to redirect in Hostinger, click on Manage. Now, from this domain overview page, scroll down to the bottom and you will see redirect your domain. Click on this redirect button. And here, make sure to click on custom first instead of any other social platform. And from this redirect from, you will see the domain name you've selected. And here you can set your redirection destination. For example, I will redirect this domain name to this subdomain, which is, for example, blog.dotcom.builders. So I will redirect my domain name or my main page to this subdomain. For the redirection type, you can select between permanent 301 or a temporary one. For this video, I will go with permanent. And as you see, the redirect usually takes 1 hour to work, and sometimes it can take up to 48 hours. So here, be patient after you set this redirection. Now click on Create Redirect button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. As you see, domain redirect created. Now let's give my domain name a visit to see if the redirection started. And as you see, it is not started yet. So here, just be patient, keep refreshing your domain name, try to use another device, for example, your smartphone, another computer, even another internet provider, to see if your redirection started working. And if you want to know how to edit this redirection, simply click on this edit button and you can edit your redirection destination, your redirection type. You can also delete this redirection if you don't want it anymore, like that. You're about to stop redirecting your domain to this domain destination. Visitors and search engines will no longer be redirected, which may affect your search ranking. Click on delete. And just like that, domain redirection is deleted. And this is how to redirect your domain in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.